clinically speaking, our seniors had us, making an assembly line before the induction, and for us it was a lot more serious than it was for our juniors.
So when I came and saw the basketball court, I was pretty satisfied. So I knew the 2 years here would be pretty fun.
I wasn't able to recognize the map.
I was more or less getting lost in the hostel blocks. I couldn't figure out where the mess is and where the hostel block is.
This was the first time I was staying away from my family, and I was anxious, to be honest.
First day was rather hectic.
I was very nervous.
All I could see was new faces everywhere. I was kind of nervous but excited at the same time.
But yeah, apart from that, first day was pretty fun.
What scared me the most was that I might not able to make friends because I'm like 27. I feel like I don't fit in with people who are younger to me much.
Coming to Uttarakhand especially.
I was working from home for around 2 years. So getting back into this institutional setup, the gelling up, the competition, that was scary.
I had this fear that I would not have a good roommate.
The leopard stories and nothing else.
Do I really belong here?
The economics, accounts, oh my God, I didn't understand a single thing. It was scary, but I was able to do that.
Being part of a student body is very helpful here because I feel more than your academics, this is where your personal growth happens.
It gives you a lot of experience if you're a fresher.
So being part of a committee, the Media and Public Relations Committee, was a very big part of my MBA journey.
Being part of Alumni Relations Committee or Ecstatic, the dance club, has been one of the most beautiful journey of my MBA life.
My whole of my personality, I think 50% I owe to PlaceCom only.
I was part of IRC and TMPC, so it gave me a lot of exposure of how to be in a team.
I am part of 2 completely different clubs and committees. So these 2 shaped my personality a lot, like one towards the professional side and others towards the fun side.
Taught me a lot about how to nurture relations and how to be in a team and work together.
Just develops you overall.
A cat block terrace, no context needed.
It's always going to be the lakeside.
Whenever I need to, I need to relax, I normally come to the court. Otherwise, we go to our friend's place also, but I would say the court.
There's this spot in the amphitheater. It's near the stairs where when you sit there, you can see, you have a panoramic view of the ACAD building and the basketball court, I guess. So that's my comfort spot.
Say the lake, amphitheater, at times at my friends' places.
From Amul, there's this lamp very near to the signboard. There, I had one of the 2 very special moments of my life.
B1 top! Floor, F1 top. The people there and the memories there are unforgettable, completely unforgettable.
So if campus walls could talk, they would say that there are a lot of batches that come and go, but there's something about the batch of 2024 to 26 that makes it uniquely ours.
I think they would see a lot of familiar faces, and the walls would commemorate each and every one of us because we have had that ability to apply ourselves no matter what we're doing, and the walls have seen that.
Notorious.
Oh, I hope the walls don't talk, but I think overall we had a very good batch.
Our batch was better than the senior batch and the junior batch as well.
Not just academics, be it sports, music, every aspect of life, very, very talented people.
The specific combination of the 2 that I'm experiencing, this set of people at this place at this time, it's a blessing.
It's difficult to say or choose between them. I think it's this place which has given me the most beautiful people.
The place wouldn't be as beautiful as it was without the people, and the people wouldn't be, I wouldn't find the people if it wasn't for the place. So
It's always going to be the people, no matter what.
For me, it's the people, not the place.
I'll miss the people from this place.
So I think the most I will miss is the people here, the friends I have made, the connections I have made, the time I've enjoyed with them. I'll miss them a lot.
The place is quite beautiful, I'm not gonna lie, but the people made it more meaningful.
I'm really grateful for this place to provide me a setting where I could meet all these people. But it's always going to be the people. They are the people who have motivated me, supported me, and been part of my this 2 years journey.
One word about IIM Kashipur, I would say, and roller coaster.
Home.
Heaven.
Beautiful.
The people here.
A dream.
Home.
Kashipur.
Eventful.
It's a heavenly place.
Home.
Everything. Thank you so much, IIM Kashipur, for giving me the best people and the best memories of my life.
Thank you, IIM Kashipur.
Thank you so much, IIM Kashipur. It was lovely to be a part of this journey.
Thank you, IIM Kashipur.
Thank you, IIM Kashipur, for this.
Thank you, IIM Kashipur.
But I'm glad that the friends I made on the first day itself have stuck around till today and moving forward in my life as well. So
Overall, I love my batch.